Let's walk through the options we have on the wireless remote control. The wireless remote control has a left and right indicator button, so you could have left and right blinkers. It has a power button, like we discussed, and it has a toggle switch. You press and hold the button to turn the lighting system on. Once it's on, you could press the left blinker to cause the Omega 330 that is on the left side to blink. You could press the right blinker and it would cancel out the left blinker and turn on the right side. You could also press and hold the same indicator again and it would cancel out that turn signal. Conversely, if you do not press anything and you forget, after about 2 minutes, that turn signal will time out. To access flash modes once your headlight is on, simply tap the power button. The headlight will go into flash modes. To get it back into a regular lighting mode, tap it again. To turn off the NiteLink lighting system, simply press and hold the power button for about a second or two. For daylight visibility, if you don't tap the power button to turn on your NiteLink lighting system, you're able to access the left and right blinkers using the wireless remote left and right indicators. Simply press and hold the power button to turn the system off. Remember, we recommend using your headlight and your taillights for all visibility conditions. The headlight has walk, low, medium, high, and boost modes. You can access these modes using the toggle switch on the remote control. Push the toggle switch up to go into maximum boost mode. If you press and hold the toggle switch up, in one step, it will go into maximum boost mode for when you need it most. You can also incrementally press the toggle switch to cycle through the headlights modes. You can press up to go up in modes, and you can press down to go down in modes. When accessing the flash modes, remember we can press and hold that power button. Once you're in the flash modes, you're able to cycle through the flash modes by pressing the toggle switch up or down. If you press and hold the toggle switch up, it will simply cycle through the modes. Press and hold the power button to turn the lighting system off.